أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. uh, you welcome Mr. Camera for coming to me. We mean Alhaji Bangali Koroma, Sheikh Bangali Koroma, who can do a short interview with me concerning some Islamic point or some Islamic views. So I decided to choose one of the areas where very controversial and difficult between the Muslims, between the Sunnah and the Shia, one of the area of the Al-Wala. Al-Wala where men be Muslim. I not even know if men are Sunni Muslim because we not be done so. But later we all grow, we follow education. You can know say we get Sunni, we get Shia. So then try to teach me about Shia Al-Wala. In the beginning, it's been very difficult for me because I say how people don't use for pour water in my head 3 times because it's a difference between the Sunnah and the Shia. Pour them that kind of way there. Then I wash my food 3 times. I wash my hand 3 times. Then kind of way in the Sunnah way. Then now today we come to the Shia. They say only 2 sides for wash, 2 sides for wipe. It been doubt me. I check them by this verse. We say, أيها الذين آمنوا إذا قمتم إلى الصلاة فاغسلوا وجوهكم وأيديكم إلى المرافق وامسحوا برؤوسكم وأرجلكم. Here the Quran try to say, whenever una ready for perform prayers, after where you don't clean yourself physically, because wala na spiritual exercise, not a physical exercise. If alwala na spiritual, na physical exercise, it is after dirty areas. If I don't talk about your underhand, because underhand, now you can mostly dirty with the pull odor. If I don't talk between your 2 legs, because your 2 legs, now then can pull the odor area earlier. But alwala not ever talk about your underhand. We can pull odor or between your legs. So I check I find out say Al-Wala na spiritual exercise. Where spiritual, if I do according to how God say. In this particular verse, Allah say, if I wash your face, because the Shia can do. We all know that then now, from this area where you hear boss, down to your chin, if I wash down there, one thing if you don't do, you make on 2 them, you make and treat them, not a problem, but one thing don't do. Then you come to your hand, you begin to wash your hand from your elbow down to your fingers. Need to wash them from up down, from your fingers to your elbow. You need to suspend your hand this kind of way. You need to wash them from your elbows here down to your fingers. From there, you come for wash your head. For rub by your head, you can do on 1 thing. You know, it is in all safe. Now half you can do, half now you can do. You can do on 1 thing, and at 1 thing we sabi. But to the other side, when you take your full 2 hands, you wipe the whole here, like now wash with the wasam, and this is spiritual. Then from there, we don't rub you here once. You come down to your foot. You the same alwala when you take me one, take them from your finger toes. You bring down to your ankle. Because the Quran says, "Famsahu bi ru'usikum wa arjulakum ila al-ka'bayn." The 2 Kaaba, now your ankle here, you wipe them, you can't there. But if you doubt in that, say alwala, now the foot now for wasam. You know, we see that in the area of tayammum. Tayammum make them very clear. All Muslims, Sunnah and Shia, what would they make al-wala? Would they only wipe your face and with hand? But you ask the question now, why would they left with head and also the foot? Because where they make al-wala, where they make tayammum now, the area where being supposed for was in the field of al-wala, Now rub it rub now. And that is only two areas, your face and also your hand. In Al-Wala, you the only wash your face and your hand. So in Tayammum also, the areas where you for wipe, you the left there. As you know, if water been there, but you never wash here, you for only wipe them. In the field of Tayammum, you left here. Then in the area of the foot, if water been there, when at Tayammum, now for your hand, your palm, you for wipe them. No, you for wash them. But away water now they now, you for only wipe them. That means to say Al-Wala don't replace the areas where you been for wash. But the question is now, why you for left the area of your ear and your foot? Because then there be areas when I for just wipe. And I don't emphasize until you say Al-Wala not to physical cleanliness, not spiritual cleanliness. Even a physical, what did you do with here? Now don't you do? No. But the thing only day, only mostly yes sir. If not physical, I emphasize to you, if not physical, whenever they make Al-Wala, Quran may for don't say wash under your armpit, because under your hand you can always get odor. All man know this. We there for the whole day from morning to evening, with the worker or with the walk, and I can pull odor. Why Quran not say for wipe yonder? Then you can't look between your two legs. Why Quran not say for wash yonder? And all man knows in the area and day, and I'm quick for pull odor, and I'm quick for pull something like when I flush. So I conclude and say, Al-Wala na spiritual. The area where he say you for wash, if water no day, na for wipe, and that is only the face and the hand when the palm.